So today, we're making partridge legs, as you already know. I got my bass spatula, fish hooks, and Gavin.
We got his stove
Gavin,
here.
run through your ingredients.
I got Mountain Dew.
Some salt.
Salt. Gabe actually, he said he was changing his for something else.
Gavin doesn't know
And
what it is.
we're both using Country Rock Original.
Butter. We're using butter. Get it.
Yup, like, no. It's butter.
There we go. So today, what I'm using is, Gavin.
Look at that fire. Ow.
Today, what I'm using is Country Rock butter, some Weber Chicago steak seasoning. This goes pretty good. It goes pretty good on venison. And my secret ingredient, you'll see in a bit. Alright, so today, here's what Gavin's using. This is actually 2. Wait, that.
Are you sure?
Coda.
Oh.
She was over here smelling. Coda.
Pretty sus.
Alright.
We'll have to talk to her after this.
Yep, we're one wing down. So I'm going to use... Dang it, this one was the bad one that I shot too.
Can I trade?
No. You can't.
Yeah, come on. I want that one. Come on, you're a better cook. Yes.
I have to work with slop. Hey, get out of there.
1 pound, guys. Oh, God.
Wait, here, 1 second. I'm gonna go.
God, so heavy. It's just you and me. And this fish that seems to be eating a spatula. Hey, Coda, did you eat a piece of the partridge? No, don't eat the spatula. Tripping. Gabe's probably gonna cut this out. Ooh, nice one. Put an extension on our house. All that new looking wood is our extension. Then we got our chickens way over there. Come on, Gabe.
It's gone. But I got my secret ingredient out.
What is that? Fish?
It's bacon.
Bacon?
Get out of here.
I need some bacon
Go
juices.
down. Go down. Get out of here. Stop smelling the crime cuts. Okay, so Gavin.
Yep.
You can get doing what you're gonna do, but I'm gonna get cooking.
I guess I'll put some salt on. Hey, did you pee?
Okay, I'm gonna throw on 2 little chunks.
Okay. Gabe's doing that. You guys can watch Gabe. I think you're watching Gabe. No, you're watching the house. Well, welcome, guys. I guess.
Bacon chunks.
Smothered.
Hey, get out of here. Stop smelling my bacon.
Got some salt on that, baby.
I'll turn this up a bit.
Gotta get.
I'm gonna spread some butter around with my bass spatula.
Ooh.
Gavin, you have half of the grill, I have half of the grill. This is my half over here.
Gotta soak all that Mountain Dew flavor in there.
I think I gotta turn this up a bit.
I actually tried this with venison and it's actually
It was awful.
Really, it was good.
It was awful.
It was good.
You let me honest with that.
Gabe, that's mine.
It's pretty good too.
Now I can't even use any more
Yeah, you
because
can.
I need some more, obviously. I obviously need some more, Gabe. Gabe's cooking up some bacon.
Chop.
That's smelling pretty
Why won't you?
bussin'.
Well, bacon is bussin'.
Keegan Hardy, go check out his YouTube channel.
Don't do it.
He was over here yesterday.
Don't do it.
Man,
Okay.
if I lose, it's because I'm.
You know, for this one, guys. Yeah. Gavin, show this one. Gavin. For this one, I have an idea. Since it is like that, so I'm wrapping bacon.
Ooh, no fair.
Hey, Easton, go grab me a toothpick.
What you doing over there, Easton?
Yeah, go grab me a toothpick.
Okay. Toothpick. Snowman.
Get me a toothpick.
I got you toothpicks.
Give me a toothpick.
Hey.
Oh my God, so dramatic.
Oh, that smells bussin', Gabe.
Oh, bacon is bussin'. Okay.
Can I put this on now? Wait, I need butter.
Okay, I'm gonna put some Weber on it because Weber goes good with anything.
You guys can watch.
Oh, that was a little too much Weber. That was a little too much Weber.
I don't know what Weaver is, but that's a lot. A little much there, Gabe?
Just a little. Okay, that's on. I'm just gonna use the stuff that's spelled out to cover this wing in.
Oh, wow.
And I'm gonna go grab something else.
What's he getting? I should just kick his phone. That do look good. Wait a minute. I got a hook shape. One.
Hey, Gavin.
Now.
Mommy said you need your shots. I'm gonna inject bacon grease.
Can you put just like put that there?
You can do it. That got nothing.
Okay, I'm ready to put this on. Just a little bit more Mountain Dew in there, and she's on.
Oh, I'll take that grease.
Hey! No! Dave! Stop!
I'm trying to get the grease, but the grease won't get in it. I want to inject it with... Wait, I'll inject it with butter.
Look how juicy that thing is.
Oh, yeah.
Is that butter?
Injected with... Wait, I gotta inject it with melted butter. I'll be back.
Okay. I'm alone again. Let's check. Ugh, can you take the spatula? Ooh, that's hot. Oh, yum. Don't look done, but she do look bussin'.
Look at that.
What is that?
It's butter.
Oh, yum.
No, it's his pee. He peed in it instead
Yeah,
of...
hold it like that.
No.
Yeah.
Come on. Competition.
Hold it like this.
It looks like you peed in it.
It actually does.
Gabe, you're literally getting nothing.
Gavin! Okay, the syringe didn't work.
Wait, Gabe. Wait. Can you hold this?
What?
Film.
No. Don't do that. Yeah, stop.
No.
Wait, your Mountain Dew is leaking to my side.
I can't see.
I don't think Gavin's gonna win.
Gabe, stop.
I am the judge here, so I don't...
Easton,
Stop.
stop.
Okay.
I'm gonna put one piece of bacon on. And yeah,
I'll film. Oh, God, I need a foot.
we'll come back when we're ready to flip. Gavin?
That was the smallest...
And Gavin is ruining that chicken leg. We'll come back when we're gonna flip. Alright, guys,
Bam,
and we're gonna
Gavin,
flip
now
it.
you can flip yours. With the toothpick.
Oh, that looks pretty good. I got the bacon here. I already ate one piece that was done. Oh.
That's mine.
Hey! Stop it!
Kids!
It flipped.
Stop. Oh, this smells disgusting.
Bacon? Oh, that was good. And then we got this. I already flipped it, but...
Carter's literally licking his teeth.
Carter, no! Get out of
Hey,
there.
stop licking the juice.
There's that thing in it to touch it.
Oh my god, that's real snow!
It's so
Oh,
I think they burned like this snow.
oh yeah. That's where all the grease goes.
Oh, look at all that Mountain Dew.
Put way too much of that stuff in.
That is all Mountain Dew, guys.
Yeah, because this dummy doesn't know what to cook with.
Oh, guys, this is my... That's Gabe's side, the dirty side.
Oh,
this is
shoot.
my
I
side.
just turned it off.
Oh, are we out of plug?
No, I turned it off.
Turn back on.
Oh, there we go. This thing's nice.
Yeah. I'm really glad.
And the stand, it comes up, and then this whole grill part comes off. If I don't want to bring the stand, and the stand has a side table.
I think we got this from Menards.
I got it for my birthday. You did?
Yeah.
Bro, Menards
This
busted.
you buy this separate, and then the stand is you just buy-
Separate.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you buy these two separate.
Menard, you bought this at Menard.
Listen, I know.
Save big money at Menard.
Not sponsored.
Kevin over here.
Not sponsored.
Bro, it's not crispy enough.
Then
That's
make
not
it
like
harder. Yes, it's not crispy enough.
The bubbles.
Wait.
Alright, guys. This is Gavin's monstrosity. With way too much salt and way too much Mountain Dew.
Sodium.
Hey, that's my bacon. Jerk.
That's disgusting.
I got the bacon wrapped one. And then I just got the leg. So this
Smells funny.
and let's try
Obviously,
this
I'm the superior cooker here.
out. Yeah, obviously. You didn't even bring a side dish. I brought bacon. Let's bring this stuff inside. Show it off to the judge. Judge, get out of here. Carter, let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna have
Get
a
in there.
dog by the legs. The legs look
Oh, guys.
No, stop. Don't do that. Hey, your thing's on my side.
How does this work?
You don't touch it. That's how it works. Alright, get out of the judge's chair. Alright. So, first try Gavin's monstrosity.
Wait, I actually want to.
1 second, I need it.
Let me get a knife. Don't eat it.
Gavin, there's a knife right here.
Gavin, I have a knife.
Oh, cut a little chunk off.
That's not me.
Mine's boneless.
No, I cut it. I'm cutting it.
I'm taking
I want to try yours.
skin stuff.
Here, cut me a piece. Cut me a piece.
Ugh. That's actually bussin'.
Gabe, cut me a piece.
Just
Oh
eat
my
it.
God,
I'm filming.
Oh, Gavin. What'd you say?
Out of 10. Out of 10.
10.
Oh, guys, look right there. I didn't put enough bacon. It should be like juicy.
Here, wait. I gotta grab.
Oh, that's good.
I gotta give that a.
I gotta get a bigger knife.
That's actually good, Gabe.
Here, I gotta grab a bigger knife real quick.
What'd you get it? Out of 10. I give it an 8. Honestly.
I gotta go with a
Gavin,
9 out of
I
10.
gotta
There was like, there was a tiny. It needed a little bit more cooked.
Wait, what was it? What
9
was
out
it?
of
9
10.
out of 10. It needed to be cooked a
No,
little
it
bit.
should be 9 out of 10.
It was delicious. It was just. It
Dude,
needed
it's
to be.
delicious. Don't
It
eat it.
needed to be a little more cooked though.
Just say like 7 out of 10.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I gotta cut the bacon.
I
Right.
gotta try your.
Gabe, you look so bussin'.
I know.
Gabe, give me a tiny. Listen to that crisp.
I gotta
That
take
looks
the little
good.
chunk of bone out so it's boneless.
Gave me like the smallest piece.
Oh, you can't have that piece.
I want like a small piece. And I gotta try your bacon.
This one was destroyed, so it was hard.
Oh, is that blood coming out?
No, that's juices.
That's juice.
That's
Easton.
bacon and
That's
butter.
good. If
That's
you,
bacon and butter grease.
Easton, whenever you cut something in your life and it looks like blood, it's juice and it's delicious.
Or it's actual blood. But in this case,
Yeah.
it's juice.
Gabe put a lot of juice on it.
Oh my
I didn't put any juices on it.
Okay.
Sounds just
kidding.
like a
Just kidding.
Let's take the bone out. it's
So guys, if you want to try my technique, it's
mine's better.
just inject a bunch of Mountain Dew in it and put sea salt on it.
Okay.
That's all you gotta do.
Easton, here.
It's a 9 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, Easton called it 9 out of 10. I would give it an 8 out of 10.
There
You need to cook it a little longer though. That wasn't.
Give
That was,
menu pull it. I'm just kidding.
it wasn't that.
It was really good.
It needed to be.
And then
cooked
try
over
this
more.
one too. So try the bacon wrap one and that one.
Okay, Gabe's got 2.
Yeah.
I'm trying this.
See it, Easton.
Just eat it.
Eat it.
Wow.
There's no bone in it.
Me and
I
Gabe
don't
did a
care.
frog one and I destroyed him.
I know. Gavin was so.
Oh, Gabe, we're gonna put both of ours down
Well, my
on the
thing
floor.
fell.
So mine would be right there, Gabe's would be right there, and Coda would be like, which one? That one. Okay,
Well,
question.
That leg's pretty good.
Why did you grab like 50 plates? My
There's
God.
only 2 because I put it on.
There's 3.
That sucks.
What did you get? Oh, Easton.
Wait, you didn't even try the bacon wrapped one.
Oh.
That one's gonna be
Gabe,
good.
give me one. Give me a piece.
the bacon?
Yeah, I want the bacon wrapped.
This
Yes.
bacon one looks bussin'.
It doesn't look.
Come on, Easton.
What?
Look at mine.
That's all boneless.
So-
Just eat it.
So bussin'. I do those.
Run. Look how raw.
We got
not
Slenderman, a buck,
What does that look like?
Pennywise.
That's red.
We got turtles. We got Timmy. I don't know. Amangus. Starbucks.
Every time Easton judges something, he does high numbers. I don't know.
Oh,
We've
he
seen
went-
him drive past us twice.
I gotta really get that taste.
That's pretty good.
Just tell us. It's gonna hit the corner, guys.
Wait, you can re-change your answer on Gavin's too to make it lower, or so it's easier on
It
yourself
hit the corner, Mom.
if you want.
Oh, it just left us.
Oh, Mom, unpause it. Or just press on pause.
Easton, give it.
Wait, Easton,
What is it?
who won?
Easton, who won?
Who won? Just say who won, not out of 10.
Come on.
I
need to know.
Gabe's.
Gabe's lost.
No.
So Gabe's won.
Yeah.
Yes! In your face!
Wait,
It
we
was-
gotta do the good judge.
Except the bacon, I would
now.
probably
we gotta
give.
do the good judge now, Gabe. All right,
The bacon one, I would probably give a
Gabe,
7.
cut a piece. Cut a piece off of yours, and I'll cut a piece off.
Gabe, yours was.
What's with the tiny knife, Gavin? Huh? Tiny knife, tiny knife.
Gabe, the reason why yours won was because it was cooked a little more on the inside.
Yes.
Mine's actually really good.
Bro, why are you getting the biggest piece ever?
I got a tiny piece.
Give it to me.
Give me it. No,
Wait, give
stop.
it to
Let
me.
go. Let go.
I took a piece. Wait, right?
Come right here.
Hold Coda. Hold Coda.
Oh, that horses! Hold on, horses. Okay. Oh, she's ready. She's ready. Run.
There's mine.
Go.
Gabe's
Let her go.
right there.
I won!
Right there.
Yes!
Oh, she.
Well, at least she likes them both, but I won! I am victor!
Wait, but Gabe, Coda needs to be.
Go.
I need to be right.
That's how you win.
No.
Not put Mountain Dew in everything you cook. That's exactly how you win. Gavin puts Mountain Dew
No,
in
Gabe,
everything.
Coda's actually looking for more.
Good girl. Good girl.
I'm not
Always
joking.
pick mine from now on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good girl. Starting today, you pick mine, so good girl. And you pick mine next time too, okay? Good girl. Alright, we'll catch you next time. Peace.